EY everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a question that's been on a lot of your minds. Will relay bank transfers become instant? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what a relay bank transfer actually is. Essentially, a relay bank transfer is a method of sending money between banks. It involves multiple steps, where the money travels through intermediaries before reaching the recipient. Think of it like a game of telephone. You whisper a message to your neighbor, who whispers it to the next person, and so on. By the time the message reaches the final person, it might have changed a bit. Similarly, in a relay bank transfer, the money travels through different systems and banks, which can lead to delays and potential errors. This is where the concept of instant bank transfers comes into play. Instant bank transfers. Instant bank transfers aim to revolutionize how we send money. The goal is to make transactions happen in real time, regardless of the time of day or the recipient's location. Imagine sending money to a friend across the country and having it appear in their account instantly. That's the promise of instant bank transfers. Now, the question is, can relay bank transfers ever achieve this level of speed? The answer is, it's complicated. Technological hurdles, relay systems inherently involve multiple steps and intermediaries. Each step adds a layer of complexity and potential delays. Overcoming these technological hurdles requires significant investment and coordination across the entire banking infrastructure. Regulatory challenges, regulations, and compliance requirements vary across different countries and regions. Harmonizing these regulations to facilitate instant cross-border transfers is a major challenge. Security concerns. Ensuring the security of these rapid transactions is paramount. Robust security measures must be in place to prevent fraud and protect customer funds. Interoperability. For instant transfers to become truly ubiquitous, different banking systems and platforms need to be able to communicate and interact seamlessly. This requires a high degree of interoperability, which can be challenging to achieve. Current developments. Despite these challenges, significant progress is being made towards instant bank transfers. Real-time payment systems. Many countries have implemented real-time payment systems, such as Faster Payments in the UK and Zelle in the US. These systems enable near-instantaneous transfers within their respective countries. Global initiatives. Global initiatives like SWIFT's GPI, Global Payments Innovation, are working to improve the speed and transparency of international payments. Technological advancements. Blockchain technology and other emerging technologies offer the potential to revolutionize cross-border payments by enabling faster, more secure, and more efficient transactions. The future of relay bank transfers. So, will relay bank transfers ever be truly instant? While complete elimination of delays might be a long-term goal, significant improvements are already happening. Reduced processing times. Ongoing efforts are focused on streamlining processes and minimizing delays at each stage of the relay transfer. Increased automation. Automation can help to reduce manual intervention and speed up the transfer process. Enhanced technology. The integration of new technologies like AI and machine learning can further optimize transfer routes and identify potential delays. Collaboration. Collaboration between banks, regulators, and technology providers is crucial to drive innovation and overcome the challenges associated with instant transfers. In conclusion, while achieving truly instant relay bank transfers may still be a work in progress, significant advancements are being made. The future of bank transfers is likely to involve a combination of traditional relay systems with innovative technologies and streamlined processes. While instant transfers may not be the norm for all transactions, we can expect to see continued improvements in speed and efficiency in the years to come. What are your thoughts on instant bank transfers? Do you think they will become the standard? Let me know your predictions in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial insights. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.